The news in detail. Chief Minister Conrad Sangma today said that communities of Meghalaya can pioneer the conservation-based lifestyle for the world and create a new social and economic order. Addressing the inaugural session of the three-day Think20 Conference titled Nature Solves, a New Framework for a Sustainable Future in Shillong, Chief Minister Conrad Sangma said the indigenous practices should not be ignored. He said the aspect of tradition is missing from the Panchayati Raj as he advocated for Meghalaya model. He further spoke about the upcoming Centre for Climatic Studies at Upper Shillong. The Chief Minister said that the meeting has brought diverse minds and green intellectuals to find possible sustainable blueprints for the future.
We had cleared a project to put up a climate change centre or a centre of study of excellence in Shillong. And this is already proposal has been cleared, and we should be starting the implementation of that this year itself. And it's not about just having that center, because obviously center means nothing if it's not activated. So our idea is to do exactly what you have mentioned. That we would want an annual conference to take place in the center. We would want children, school children, college children from all over the Northeast to come to this center, stay for 2-3 days out here, experience and learn about what's happening.
Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma